Hi everyone, welcome back to Thrive with Sushmita. Today a new day and a new learning. Let's learn the difference between little, a little, the little and few, a few and the few. You must be thinking, Arey, I know this. Of course you might be knowing this, but let me tell you, there is a trick. बहुत ही सिंपल, बहुत ही सीधे तरीके से आज हम इनके बारे में डिफरेंसेस लर्न करेंगे एंड देखेंगे that how and when we can use these words. So first, let's discuss when to use little, a little or the little. Remember, जब भी हम little शब्द का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, हम हमेशा उसको uncountable noun के साथ यूज करते हैं. We use little, a little and the little with uncountable noun, which means जिस या जिन nouns को आप count नहीं कर सकते, है ना? Let's learn the difference. One is little. Little means almost none, hardly कुछ है, which means एकदम ना के बराबर. There is little water in this water bottle, which means बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, बहुत कम है, इतना कम है कि वो आपके लिए या आपकी थर्स्ट को या आपकी प्यास को वो नहीं मिटा सकता. So there's little water, which means hardly any water या ना के बराबर water, यानी you are supposed or you will stay thirsty. So yes, little water means almost no water, which means you will stay thirsty. The next one is a little. थोड़ा है, थोड़े की जरूरत है, which means a little means some, कुछ है but which is not enough. ठीक है, like some but not much. There is a little water in the bottle, which means not much but enough for you. Yes, there is a little water means some water enough to take a sip, but which is not enough for you. Moving on to the little water, and the little means the small amount which exists. If I use it in a sentence, he drank the little water that was left in the water. यानी जितना भी पानी था, he consumed it. So the little water which was there, अब वो इतना था, इतना था, इतना था, जितना भी था, the whole की बात हो रही है. So he drank whatever small amount remained. Let me revise it for you. Little means almost none or hardly any. A little means some but not much. And the little means the small amount that exists. So now let's move on to few, a few and the few. First thing that you have to remember, जो पहली चीज आपको ध्यान देनी है कि हम few हमेशा countable nouns के साथ यूज करते हैं. We use the word few with countable nouns, यानी the nouns that we can count, like we can count the number of apples or maybe we can count the number of pens, right? Countable noun. This is the key that you really need to know. Few means hardly any or almost none. Like अगर आप 100% की बात करो, so maybe 5 to 10%, hardly any or maybe almost none. Few students understood the homework, which means ना के बराबर बच्चों ने homework समझा. So almost no one understood. Now when we talk about a few, which means some but not enough, some percent, कुछ लोगों ने, but which is not enough. Not everyone, but at least some, or like a small group understood. So a few students understood the homework. यानी a few, कुछ लोगों ने, a group of students understood it, but not everyone. The few means the small number that exists. The few students who understood the homework explained it to others. Yani only that small group who understood, that particular group who understood it they explained it to others. Let me give you a magic trick. If you want to sound negative, then use few or little. If you want to sound positive, then say a few, a little. And if you want to talk about a specific group, then you talk about the little and the few. Let me explain this to you again with a fun party and some cold drink bottles, okay? Let's see how it goes. Imagine you are at a party, okay? You open the fridge and say, "Oh God, there is little juice left," which means almost none. The party is in trouble. No juice. But your friend says, "Don't worry, there is a little juice. We can all share it in small glasses," which means not much juice, but enough to survive. And finally, you decide, let's drink the little juice left in the fridge, which means you finish whatever small quantity is there. Next, let's look at your guests. Someone comes and tells you, "Unfortunately, few friends turned up for the party," which means almost none, okay? The party is boring. But then you cheer up. At least a few friends have come. Let's enjoy with them. And you thank them, the few friends who came and made the party special. So yes, that small group was important. And yes, that's it. One small party, but one big grammar lesson that you learned today. If you liked our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with all your friends who would want to learn something new. This was all about today. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep smiling and keep thriving. Thank you so much.